Hi everyone, today I would like to show you how I do my Fauxdoris in A5 size, but obviously you can do them in various sizes. This video will be about the fabric that I use. The system is always the same about how to do your Fauxdoris, how to incorporate the number of books that you would like to incorporate into your personal one. But I just wanted to film this video for one big reason. I had a couple of problems in finding leather and material which is thick enough to use for my Fauxdoris. So I tried to look a bit around me and I had a couple of ideas. I have bought over the internet a couple of leather pieces which ended up coming too expensive and still not thick enough. And in one of my, I think I was purchasing carpet material, I looked around and I saw like a plastic thick material that they use to cover the floors. It's not for parquet obviously, but it's very similar, and I basically asked about it, and when I saw the material I saw that it was enough thick, and an idea came to my mind that I could use the same material to do my Fauxdoris, and this is the end result of my looking around, of my whatever you want to call it, my experiments basically. So this is what I've got. It's a you can see it's a very thick material. It's enough thick, but it still bends, and at the same time it remains basically very not bending too much, and it returns back to where it was. So I found it a huge ideal for my Fauxdoris. As you can see, I made one which is quite thick. This is a calendar and a to-do notebook in one, and then I just incorporated as many notebooks I wanted. This Fauxdori in A5 size contains I think 7 books. Yes, it's about 7 books. I just made it a little bit tight, the elastic, but the rest I bought it all over the internet. So I did buy this elastic over the internet, and also the thread that I'm passing through the sides of it. And then obviously I have bought different notebooks or made notebooks myself to incorporate them into the Fauxdoris. So let me just show you. So this is the end result basically, but let me just show you how this material is flexible, but at the same time it's thick enough. So I bought these pieces here that you can see. It was a big square or rectangle, I don't know what it is, but this basically costed quite just a little bit, not much, and I think that with some 15 euros I've got 3 pieces, which they wear this beige one or light brown, and then I've got this sort of gray which has even a couple of designs onto it, and I also have got this plain gray, as you can see. So these 3 pieces just costed some 15 euros, and it was not that much for me to spend. And as you can see, when I did one of my A5s, which is this one that I've already cut, all this basically remains available for me, so I can do quite a lot of other Fauxdoris out of a simple 15 euros that I have spent for all of this. Obviously I have also purchased some other things that I might need. These are some threads which are thick enough, and I have also bought the thread, the black thread that I use to go into the material so that I can put my booklets into it. So basically all of this, the material and a couple of other things, including the books, I think I I just spent, I don't know, some 25 euros, and I can basically do as many Fauxdoris as I want. 25 euros would be, I think, in the range of $30, $35, something in that range, if you consider basically everything. So I think it's a very good price, and for those that like to do these Fauxdoris, it's ideal. I bought these over the internet. I bought 3 colors in mustard colored, light gray, and this red one, and then I bought 2 big rolls of threads in black. So it ended up being very, very much ideal for me, and even I finally have got the Midori that I always wanted to get. Obviously it's a Fauxdori, but it's inspired by the real Midori. So let's talk a little bit about this material that you can see. I have cut this material in the size of the books that I will be using. I have first of all planned what books I will be using, and when I have put basically all the planned books that I intend to use in this piece of material, I got this amount. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, including the squared paper that I've got. And the first thing that you have to do is basically get these books, get the books that you want, and basically put them there onto the material. Just flip it there, and those will be basically your measurements. And then you cut the material. So this material basically was, I think, some 16.5 centimeters in half, so I had to do it times 2, and same thing I had to do here. So it's not that much. I have marked the sides with a pencil onto the length and onto the width, and then I have cut using a sharp knife. You can use a knife, you can use a cutter, you can use whatever you would like to use. It's very simple. I just bought it from the ironmongery, so there's no big deal about it. And then you just have to mark the points where the thread will be going. I will continue to mark the threads, and I'll come back to show you what I did with the thread, and basically we'll continue the video.